Namaste everyone, I'm Samatya from Bodsphere. So today we'll learn how to do the Ujjayi Pranayama. Now Pranayama, it is made up of two words, Prana and Ayam. Now Prana refers to the life force within us, something that is keeping us alive. Ayam refers to regulate or to control. So the process of regulating or controlling the life force within us through your breath is known as Pranayam. Now Ujjayi Pranayam, it is also referred to as a victorious breath or the ocean's breath. Now in this case you have to remember a couple of points. So first of all, whenever you are practicing Ujjayi Pranayam, it will help you in building up the heat inside the body. And apart from this, a lot of yoga teachers, yoga practitioners, they integrate Ujjayi Pranayam or the Ujjayi breath during their transitioning from one pose to another. A lot of people, they make use of the Ujjayi Pranayama because it helps us in detoxifying the body. It will also take you deeper in your yoga practice. So every pranayama has got its own significance and own importance. If you have to start practicing Ujjayi Pranayama, you have to remember that, for example, if there is a mirror in front of your face and you have to fog it up, then in that case you will first inhale from the nostril and then so that's how you fog up a mirror. Now in this case you have to remember, in case of Ujjayi Pranayama, you are using the back muscles of your throat. You have to in a way constrict the muscles which are present in the back of your throat. You'll have to make a rushing noise with the muscles which are present at the back, and you have to breathe in from the nostrils and breathe out from the nostrils. So in a way you have to seal your mouth. Your mouth will not open at all during the Ujjayi Pranayama, and it should be very smooth. So it should not look like a broken breath. So ideally, if you are sitting in Sukhasana and if you are placing your palms in the open position, your breath should look like this, or it should sound like this. Yeah, so in case of Ujjayi Pranayama, you have to remember that you have to breathe in from the back of your throat. And at the same time, once you're done with the Ujjayi Pranayama, there's a possibility that you might feel some roughness in the throat. Yes, so that happens after Ujjayi Pranayama. So if you feel like having water, you can definitely have water after your practice. But at the same time, you have to remember that if you are suffering from any cough or any throat issues, you can avoid it. Yes, so there are both benefits and contraindications related to Ujjayi Pranayama. If your body automatically builds up the heat, it is better not to practice Ujjayi Pranayama, and it can be done during the yoga poses also while transitioning from one pose to another. And apart from this, you have to remember that try to keep your spine straight whenever you are doing Ujjayi Pranayama, because whenever you are inhaling in, your chest expands and your lungs are expanding and your diaphragm goes towards your abdominal region. It requires a lot of space to actually expand. So whenever you are practicing Ujjayi Pranayama, try to keep your spine straight, your shoulders relaxed, and let's not slouch like this. And whenever you are exhaling, so your diaphragm will get lifted up towards the lungs. So this particular muscle, the primary muscle in our respiratory system, it requires space. So for that, it is always better to keep the spine straight. So this was the Ujjayi Pranayama, and we really hope that you start practicing every single day. And if you have any questions, you can drop your queries in the section below, in the comment section below. We are very happy that you watched this video till the end, and thank you so much. And please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you in the next video. Namaste everyone.